So for today, we are comparing Joplin and Logsec, the two powerful note-taking tools. So first, Joplin is an open source note-taking application which is focused on privacy and markdown support. So, the pros of Joplin is data encryption, cross-platform support, as well as its simplicity. And its cons are it has limited backlinking and knowledge graph features, while in Logsec, it is a graph-based note-taking tool which is focused on linking ideas. And the pros of Logsec is it is powerful bidirectional linking, local first storage, and customizable interface. While its cons are learning curve and a fewer mobile features. So, in comparison, use Joplin for privacy-focused note-taking and then choose Logsec if you want advanced linking and graph visualization. In conclusion, for straightforward encrypted notes, go with Joplin, but for linking ideas and the knowledge graph, pick Logsec.